Click on the subscribe button and remember to press the bell icon for regular notifications from our digital blogger. Hello friends, welcome to our digital blogger. Today we're going to compare TradeSmart Online and Prostocks. Both of these are discount stock brokers of India, recently launched. In this comparison, we will be talking about company backgrounds, account opening and maintenance charges, brokerage plans, exposure or leverage offered across segments, accuracy of research, trading platforms performance, and some other features that can help you to figure out which of these two stock brokers is a better choice for you. Let's get started. So both Prostocks and TradeSmart Online are discount stock brokers. Prostocks was launched recently in the year 2016, while TradeSmart Online is the financial trading arm of VNS Finance, which was incorporated in the year 1994. TradeSmart Online, however, was born few years back around 2012-13. Number of branches are insignificant because both of these are discount stock brokers. Prostocks is a member of Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange, while TradeSmart Online has additional memberships with MCX, MCXSX and NCDEX. If you're looking to open an account with them, Prostocks charges you 300 rupees for trading account. They also charge you 1000 rupees as AMC, but this is a one-time deposit which you will get back once you close the account, and this is not going to be paid every year. So you have to be sure that this is not an AMC literally, it's just a refundable deposit that is taken in the name of Demat account AMC. TradeSmart Online charges you 200 rupees for opening a trading account, 200 additional for Demat, and 300 every year, which is a recurring cost in this case for the Demat account AMC. So if you look at the comparison in terms of account opening and AMC charges, TradeSmart Online is definitely expensive than Prostocks. Then we have brokerage. Now brokerage in case of discount stock brokers is generally very low. TradeSmart Online charges you 15 rupees per executed order or 0.07% depending on the plans. So they've got multiple plans for the different kind of stock traders or investors. Looking at the preferences, you can pick accordingly. We'll dig deep onto this, and for that we need to check out digitalblogger.com. So there are three different plans offered by TSO or TradeSmart Online. If you're looking at the percentage level, if your trade value is generally less, then you can opt for this value plan where you will be charged 0.07% of your trade value. Similarly for intraday, it's 0.007%. You can look at the other values on the screen for your reference. The call trade facility is available at 20 rupees per executed trade, which is a standard rate across the stock brokers of India. Then they have a power plan. This is basically a flat trade plan like in case of few other discount stock brokers, where they charge you a specific fees irrespective of the size of the trade. So if you are a medium to heavy trader, you can use this particular plan for your usage of trading. Then there is Infinity plan. Now this is specifically for users who are heavy traders, who are basically looking at a specific number and then they can trade at an unlimited level. For example, if you're looking to trade in equity segments, you are going to pay them 4,000 rupees. Once you do that, you can trade unlimited level for the whole month, irrespective of the number of trades or the actual turnover value of those trades. For currency, it's 2,000, and for commodity trading, again, you're going to pay 4,000 rupees to TradeSmart Online. So depending on your preference, depending on the style of your trading, you can pick either of these plans offered by TradeSmart Online. Now let's talk about Prostocks and what they have when it comes to pricing plans. Now Prostocks also has three plans. They've got a flat rate plan of 15 rupees per executed order, absolutely in line with the one offered by TradeSmart Online. Then they have unlimited monthly level plan as well for equity and equity derivatives. You are going to pay them only 900 versus 4,000 in case of TSO, and you can trade at an unlimited level. For currency, it's 500 versus 2,000 rupees. So certainly it's looking much cheaper than TradeSmart Online. They also have a yearly plan. We are going to pay 9,000 rupees for once, and you can trade for the whole year without any concern, without any trouble coming from the broker. For currency, it's 5,000 rupees. So both of these stock brokers pose different pricing plans, and depending on your usage, you can pick a stock broker's plan and correspondingly the stock broker itself. Then we have exposure or leverage. Some people also call it margin. Well, it's sort of a short-term loan offered by a stockbroker at a specific interest rate. This interest rate can be in the range of 15 to 22%. Now, in case of Prostocks, you get 7 times exposure. That would mean for 10,000 rupees trading account balance, you can trade up to 70,000 rupees in equity intraday segment. TradeSmart Online, you can go up to 3 lakh. So that's the big difference there. In other segments, you can also see that TradeSmart Online gives you some sort of exposure values, while Prostocks fails to do that. So if exposure or leverage is one of your top priorities, go with TradeSmart Online. Prostocks is certainly way worse. Then we have customer service. You cannot really expect too much when it comes to discount brokers. Customer service is one area, one department more or less there just for the sake of it. Prostocks gives you email support and phone, but their customer support is more salesy in nature. They will like you to buy something, they like you to upgrade something, but more or less customer service in terms of quality of resolution or the turnaround time for your problem is going to be a problem as long as you are going to be the client of Prostocks. TradeSmart Online gives you email support, live chat and phone, higher number of communication channels, but more or less if we talk about quality, it still is at the level of what Prostocks gives you, not much of a comparison there. So keep your expectations low. If you are going to be a client of either of these two stockbrokers, customer service is going to be one big pain for you. Then we have research. Now again, none of these two stockbrokers are going to give you any kinds of tips, recommendations, analysis or reports at any level whatsoever. So you have to be at or your own level or your own for your technical or fundamental analysis for your buys and sells in the stock market. You can get in touch with a full service stockbroker or a discount stockbroker that can provide you tips, but in case of Prostocks or TSO, none of that's going to happen. Trading segments, you are going to be limited to equity and currency if you're a client of Prostocks, while TradeSmart Online gives you all kinds of trading and investment products including equity, mutual funds, IPOs, currency and commodity for your regular trading and investments. Then we have some other features, more or less again they are not provided by either of these two stockbrokers. Mobile trading, AMO and charting is the only functionality which is common in place between these two stockbrokers. Otherwise you will not get access to any of these perks here. Now let's spend some time talking about their trading platforms. They've got a mobile app, a terminal-based solution and a browser-based application. We'll start with the mobile app, and for that we need to check out Google Play Store. So the mobile app of Prostocks is rated at 3.4 by around 40 users. Now that's a big problem because number of users are very limited. It's very difficult to make a quantitative judgment, an objective judgment based on such a small sample size. And even out of those 40, 35% of them have rated this app negatively. Average satisfaction score in this case is 65%, way below than the industry average. If you see the last update, 19th of June 2017, so it's been around 1 month that this app has seen an update. Generally, Prostocks updates their mobile app in a range of 5 to 6 weeks. It can also be improved. Number of installs are just in the range of 1 to 5,000. So Prostocks first of all needs to have a lot of publicity, a lot of brand awareness. That's lacking there for sure. There are a few concerns raised by the client. For instance, you will have limited features for technical fundamental analysis. The user experience is little compromised. So as of now, the application has a lot to work upon in terms of maturity, performance, and by time most likely that will come. But for now we will not go ahead and recommend this application for trading. There are so many bedroom mobile trading applications in the country right now. Prostocks as of now is not one of them. Then we have Sign, the mobile app from TradeSmart Online, rated at 3.5 by around 511 users. Out of that, 30% of them have rated this app negatively. In a sense, the overall satisfaction score stands at around 70%. Now, if you look at the update frequency cycle, in this case, his last one was done on 14th of June 2017. Number of installs 10,000 to 50,000. So pretty mediocre as far as numbers are concerned. There are few issues in this case as well. For instance, you will have a tough time using the watch list feature. It is not designed the best way. There are some login issues. The overall user experience of this application is pretty mediocre too. So it's really rare that none of the mobile apps or none of the trading applications is able to make a cut. But for now, we will not recommend you, even though it's better than Prostocks, but we will not recommend you TradeSmart Online's mobile app too. So if you're looking to trade using a mobile app between these two stockbrokers, it's better to avoid both of them and opt for some other trading application given by these brokers. Now, To check out other trading platforms offered by Prostocks and TradeSmart Online, we need to check out ourdigitalblogger.com. So let's start with TradeSmart Online. They give you Nest. This is a terminal-based solution. You need to download this, install this onto your computer and laptop, put in your credentials, and you can start trading. Now, this is not designed and developed by TradeSmart. It is actually a third-party software supported and maintained by Omnisys Technologies. Nest is used by multiple stockbrokers of India, and TradeSmart Online is just one of them. In number of features, they've got multiple types of it, so it's pretty exhaustive in terms of usability. When it comes to technical fundamental analysis, they've given you access to charts, technical indicators, option strategies, heat maps, all kinds of things. Then you have standard features as market watch list. They will not be able to give you any kind of tips or recommendations because this is a discount stock broker, so that functionality won't be available. The only problem in this case is user experience, and in case you have some sort of feedback or comment that you want the broker to incorporate, that's not going to happen because the control of the application is not with TradeSmart Online. Then they have TradeSmart Online's Sign mobile app. We just discussed about it at Google Play Store. It is work in progress for us, and certainly by time it can get better. As of now, it's not a recommendable trading application. Then there is now again, it's a trading application for your needs. It's a third-party software. You don't need to download or install anything. You just need to go to your browser, put in the link, and you can start trading after verifying yourself. Then they have got Spin. This is a recent addition. It's not exhaustive by any standards whatsoever, but this is more like an initiative from their end to develop their in-house technology, in-house trading platform, and that is what they call it, TradeSmart Online Spin. You need to download this, install this. It's an EXE software, and you can start trading. But again, it's going to be limited in number of features, but it's certainly going to be better in user experience. So these are different trading platforms offered by TradeSmart Online. Now let's talk about Prostocks and see what that particular stockbroker has to offer in this segment. So in this case, they've got terminal-based solution, Prostocks Desktop. Again, number of features are exhaustive, but the problem in this case is going to be the usability, the user experience and performance. So it is not that mature as of now as a trading platform. However, it gives you different kind of unique features which are generally not available in most of the other trading platforms. For instance, you will get 150 technical analysis studies for your judgments on making buys and sell, especially for your intraday trading. Then they have Prostocks Web. Again, this is a responsive application. You can use it by going to the website of Prostocks, clicking on login, put in your details, and you can start trading from there. Number of features in this case are going to be limited, and again, you can trade or invest in limited number of trading segments. That also is going to be concerned with Prostocks. It is a lightweight application and can be used across any device with basic configuration. Then we have Prostocks mobile app. It's absolutely novice. It's more of a beginner sort of a trading application. It will be improving in time, like we discussed from Google Play Store reference, but as of now, again, not a recommendable software. So Prostocks is more like coming up with trading applications that are going to make some name in the future, as long as they're going to keep a regular update frequency cycle and put in new features every time they do that. But as of now, this is not recommended for your trading as far as trading platforms are concerned. Even though TradeSmart Online does not have their own trading application, they've got just one, which is also very recent, but still they've got reliable softwares. Prostocks doesn't do that, and that's a big concern. So that's it as far as comparison between these two discount stockbrokers is concerned. We talked about multiple features here, starting from company background, pricing, account opening, brokerage, exposure, leverage, multiple types of things. Now it's up to your preferences and your requirements, and based on that, you can make a final choice. If you need our advice in finalizing a top stockbroker for yourself, you can check out this link, digitalblogger.com/free callback broker choice. Put in your details and your preferences there, and we will be setting up a callback for you absolutely free. So that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching it. We hope you liked it. In case you did, please go ahead and press the thumbs up button. We'll really appreciate that. You can also subscribe to our channel, Digital Blogger, at YouTube for similar videos in the future. Thank you so much again for watching the video. Bye-bye.